Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You start by confirming your carrier's ESIMM policies and saving account details. This is critical because some carriers require reactivation rather than transfer. Next, back up your iPhone to iCloud or to a computer via Finder so you can restore settings later. Once done, sign into your Apple ID and ensure Wi-Fi and battery are stable. These steps prevent loss of activation data. Make sure you note any PINs or SMDP plus information your carrier provided before proceeding to erase the device. You now disable locks and disassociate accounts while preserving the ESIMM profile. First, turn off Find My iPhone under your Apple ID to avoid activation lock complications. This does not immediately delete the ESIMM. Then sign out of iCloud, iMessage, and FaceTime to clear account ties. Keep the ESIMM enabled so the carrier record remains intact. If your carrier requires a QR code or transfer code to reassign the ESIMM, obtain that now. Once confirmed, you're ready to start the erase process. You erase the iPhone using Settings General Transfer or Reset iPhone Erase All Content, and when prompted, choose options that preserve network settings or avoid manually removing the ESIMM. This keeps carrier provisioning retrievable. After the device resets, restore your backup and then use the carrier app or a QR code to reactivate the ESIMM if it doesn't reappear automatically. If the ESIMM is missing after restore, contact your carrier with account info to request a reissue. That single carrier call usually resolves remaining issues.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.